Now that we've gotten the temperatures to probably as cold of the cooling coil as I'll be, we show the first two are measuring entering conditions, 69.6, 68.3. Again, as we said earlier, some time to synchronize all thermometers. And the other two after the cooling coil, 53.1, 54.3 or so. I'm not sure we get any lower. It has been running for a few seconds. Important to note also that there's a condensate trap right here. If the unit is outdoors, it'll condense a lot more when the unit is dealing with preconditioned air. Also notice that the second set of fans aren't running. Those are the second stage, only come on when the load is high, the unit being outdoors, or temperatures are much higher entering than the 70 degree or so that we're showing right here. At this point, we're going to insert the heat pipe. So Mike, if you would, take that block. I'm going to take the heat pipe. We're showing a pre-cool and a reheat here. Insert it. It's as simple as that. To probably push it all the way. Okay, and there's a little latch here that makes sure that actually it does not roll out or slide out. You can actually, yes, put it down there and back to the unit. Unfortunately, the SteeSat, the response time is not great. So what we're showing here is ambient condition, the 69.4, and the 68 now is after pre-cool heat pipe. There are circuits that contain the working fluid that go all the way from the pre-cool side across to the reheat side, where as the liquid boils off, it moves downstream of the reheat heat pipe to condense, releasing all the heat that it picked up on the way in. So if we're doing this right, the second T-stat will be showing lower temperature. The cooling coil temperature will drop even below the 53 or so that we saw earlier, because now it's getting help from the pre-cool. So the cooling coil can push to a lower temperature, and then the reheat effect will take place as we're seeing right here. We will let this machine run for a minute or two, and we will check the conditions. We need to remember here that the cooling coil was around 53 when we started, so already down to 51, indicating a lot more dehumidification taking place, but the air does not leave at that super cold temperature. It gets reheated as well. So we'll check back on in a couple of minutes to get the final readings.